Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Midjourney to Discord server. So in order to do this, you'll have to first of all ensure that you have installed the Discord application on your laptop or your mobile phone. And if you haven't done this, simply navigate to any browser on your PC, go to the search bar, type in Discord, download, hit enter and click on this install on Windows button or navigate to download Discord link. It is going to open up this page. We'll have to click on download for Windows and Discord setup will be downloaded onto your PC. You'll have to just install this setup after opening it, and after the installation gets finished, you'll have to log into Discord app. So after logging into the Discord app on your PC or your mobile phone, you'll have to just navigate to any browser and go to the search bar, type in Discord Midjourney. Now hit enter. Now you will see the first link, that is https discord.com/invite/midjourney. Click on Midjourney Discord and it is going to open up another page, and that page will instantly open up Discord application or software on your mobile phone or PC. Now, as you can see, it says you have been invited to join Midjourney. Click on the Join Midjourney button here and it will instantly be able to join the Midjourney Discord. So this is welcome to Midjourney prompt. You can click on I'll just look around for now. And as you can see, I have all these channels available in the Midjourney Discord server. You have 7 events, channels and roles. And if you want to begin, you can get a newbie account or get a Midjourney membership. You can see and follow all these prompts from getting started. You have announcement, status, rules, and all these channels available here. This is prompt craft. And you can navigate to prompt craft chat section and see all the dedicated discussion room for talking about how to craft prompts. And that's it about joining Midjourney server. This will be Midjourney and just above it will be a Midjourney bot. So that's the simple way to add Midjourney to Discord server. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.